Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start our operation research subject. I am Professor Gulab Siraskar. Welcome to Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering and Research. The history of operation research. This was started in Second World War when the military was facing the scarce of resources, and at that time, British military called a group of scientists and asked them to find out the solution for such situations. The main objective was to allocate the scarce resources in effective manner to various military operations and to the activities within each operation, you can say. The in short, operation research is a mathematical and scientific method for military application is called as a operation research. It is also called as a management science. Later, the term was developed, management science. So operation research, it is a scientific approach is to look how base system can operate under the scarce resources when the resources are less and we want to supply so that the optimum result we can obtain. What we are going to learn particularly in this operation research subject in short, so there is a linear programming, transportation problems, decision making, game theory, assignment problems, project management, queuing theory, sequencing theory, integer and dynamic programming, and inventory management. There are different definitions of operation research. That is, one simple definition is that this is the art of winning war without actual fighting by authors Clark. It is concerned with the scientifically deciding how to best design and operate man-machine system, usually under the conditions requiring the allocation of scarce resources. One more definition, that is OR is art of giving bad answer to the problem which otherwise have worse answer. So by T.L. Staley. It indicates that we are going to find out solutions so that it can be a better situation. So bad answer than worse answer, you can say. So if you do not use mathematical options in such situation, it will be a worse. So that is called the OR. OR is applied decision theory. It uses any scientific, mathematical and logical mean to attempt to cope up with the problems that confront the executive when he tries to achieve a thorough-going rationality in dealing with the decision problem by D.W. Miller and M.K. Starr. Operation research is a scientific approach to a problem solving for executive management by H.M. Wagner. So syllabus will go in short. What is the syllabus for operation research? Mainly you have learned about the LPP in third year. So two-phase method, if you are not learned, that we are going to see in case of linear programming and introduction. Then decision theory, then transportation and assignment model in unit 2. In case of transportation model, there are different techniques of optimization of the transportation problem that we are going to start today, and assignment is the Hungarian method. In case of unit 3, game theory or theory of game, you can say it's a winning strategy, and replacement analysis in case of the items that deteriorate, we are going to learn how to replace it, and the item that fails suddenly. In case of unit 4, it is a project management. It's a very good techniques for project management when you are going to handle a different project. We use the techniques like CPM, critical path method, or PERT, and how to crash activity so that the time can be reduced and resources can be utilized optimum, you can say. Then in case of simulation, the Monte Carlo simulation for inventory and queuing problem we are going to learn in case of project management and simulation. The unit 5 is dealing with the queuing theory and sequencing model. So there are different queuing theory and different model for the queuing theory. And sequencing, like when we want to assign different jobs to different machine, so we sequence the that parts, different part on different machines. How to sequence such part, that is M part on N machines, you can say. We are going to learn in case of sequencing model. Then integer programming, unit number 6.